Causes of the Google Play Store not working. Are you having hassle downloading apps? The app is probably not working on account of a variety of causes. For instance, it might be your web connection or an easy misfire contained in the app. The causes fluctuate relying on the underlying downside. Earlier than you do the rest, you'll be able to probably remedy any challenge together with your Android system, together with Google Play Retailer points by restarting your device. A restart will help your system reset itself and probably repair any bug or misfire throughout the Google Play Retailer app. Easy methods to repair it when Google Play Retailer is not working. If a restart does not remedy your downside, it is time to proceed troubleshooting. Be sure the Google Play Retailer challenge is in your finish. You possibly can examine the standing of the Google Play Retailer utilizing companies like Down Detector. If a present challenge with Google Play has been reported, you will have to attend it out. Force Google Play Store to stop. Typically, your app should be advised to take a break. You possibly can drive your app to cease as a strategy to reset it in your system, then strive opening Google Play once more. Check your internet and cell information connections. For Google Play Retailer to work correctly, you need to have a stable web or mobile data connection. Attempt turning airplane mode on and off to assist reset your connection. Disable and allow time and date settings. Your Android system makes use of the time and date whereas operating Google Play. If they are not working, it might trigger underlying points with the app. To do that, go to Settings greater than System greater than Date and Time. If computerized date and time is enabled, disable it and allow it once more. Update Google Play services. The Play Retailer could not work correctly if Google Play Companies is not up to date. Though a background app, it is important for downloading and updating your apps and content material. Clear the Google Play Store cache and data. Clearing an app's cache and information helps it begin over and can typically clear an invisible bug. To do that, go to Settings greater than Apps and Notifications greater than See All Apps, then Faucet Google Play Retailer. From there, Faucet Storage greater than Clear Cache greater than Clear Information. As an alternative of apps and notifications, you may even see Apps or Utility Supervisor. Uninstall Google Play Store updates. When you cannot delete and reinstall the Google Play Retailer app, you'll be able to uninstall the updates, which takes your app again to the earlier model. This could take away bugs within the present replace. Bear in mind to restart your system after you uninstall the updates. As soon as your system powers again on, Google Play will replace to the latest model. Then, you'll be able to strive utilizing Google Play once more. Examine your listing of disabled apps. If in case you have one other app disabled that is interfering with Google Play, this will trigger points together with your app. To seek out your disabled apps, go to Settings greater than Apps. If something is disabled, merely faucet the app, allow it, then strive utilizing Google Play once more. When you're right here, guarantee downloads or obtain supervisor is enabled. If it is not, you may need hassle downloading apps from Google Play. Remove your Google account out of your system. You possibly can take away your Google account and re-add it to see if there's an underlying challenge together with your account info. You will not be capable of entry Google Play or different companies like YouTube Music till you re-add your account. Be sure you know your account info previous to taking this step. Perform a factory reset. If all else fails, you'll be able to reset your Android system again to manufacturing unit settings. Solely carry out a manufacturing unit reset as a final resort. You will lose your whole information and any downloaded content material, so be sure you perform a backup earlier than you progress ahead with a reset. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.